Running a modern business today can feel a lot like trying to cook a five-course banquet for 500 people entirely by yourself. You are frantically sprinting from station to station, desperately trying to keep every single pot from boiling over. In the business world, those boiling pots are your daily marketing tasks. You try to brainstorm fresh ideas, write catchy ad copy, design eye-catching graphics, and figure out which leads are actually worth calling. But imagine if you had a tireless, highly skilled sous chef standing right beside you, someone who never sleeps, never takes a break, and chops all the vegetables at lightning speed, so you can focus on the final plating. That sous chef actually exists right now. It is artificial intelligence, and it is specifically built to handle the heavy lifting of marketing and sales automation. This tool rescues you from the tedious daily grind of content creation and manual data entry, leaving you free to focus on the strategic work that actually grows your business. To get the most out of any sous chef, you have to give them the right ingredients. The exact same rule applies to AI. Instead of flour and eggs, your inputs are the details of your business. You define your ideal customers, your goals for the month, and your unique brand voice. This chart shows the AI campaign creator tool in action. It starts right here on the left, analyzing your foundational ingredients. Moving down the workflow to the generation phase, the AI instantly drafts ad concepts, writes tailored text, and designs visual images. What used to take a human marketing team weeks of brainstorming, drafting, and revising is now completed in a matter of minutes. You never have to stare at a blank page again. You can rapidly increase how much marketing content you produce without having to hire an entire department to do it. A good chef never serves a new dish without tasting it first. The AI operates the same way. It doesn't just guess what your customers will like. It relies on continuous, real-time feedback. It gathers feedback through A/B testing, showing two different versions of your ad to small groups simultaneously to track clicks and views. Once a favorite emerges, the AI automatically scales up the winning ad to a larger audience, instantly discarding the failing version. This chart shows what happens when that feedback loop runs continuously over 30 days. Because the system constantly adjusts based on real performance data, you see a steady upward climb in the percentage of people clicking your ads and making a purchase. All of those clicks and views tell the system a story. The AI uses that engagement data to figure out which of those people are genuinely interested and ready to buy right now. It assigns a score to every single potential customer based on how they interact with your ads. Then, the system identifies the people who are clearly ready to make a purchase and sends them straight to your sales team. By automatically passing this refined data from your marketing campaigns into your sales team's daily contact list, the software ensures both departments are working on the exact same high-priority leads. It sifts through the noise so your team spends their time talking only to people who actually want to hear from them. At the end of the day, every successful business is looking for ways to operate better, faster, and cheaper. This technology delivers exactly that. Handing off the manual grind of writing posts and tracking spreadsheets restores your ability to see the big picture. You maintain strategic oversight while the software handles the mechanical execution. You're free to do the high-value work only a human can do, shaking hands, listening to your clients, solving problems, and closing deals. A machine can write an email, but it cannot sit across from a customer and build genuine trust. Authentic empathy and real human connection will always be the most vital parts of your business. The true risk facing companies today is that the competitors who learn to use these tools will simply outpace the ones who refuse to try. You don't have to overhaul your entire operation overnight. Start small. Hand just one simple marketing task to your new digital sous chef this week and see what it feels like to finally get your time back.